know many English words, but when you ask a question, you speak slowly?
Yes, sometimes I know the words, but my question sounds strange.
That happens because many learners translate word by word.
So I need better sentence patterns.
Exactly. Today, we will use English chunks to ask questions naturally. Today, you'll learn 5 English chunks for asking questions politely and clearly.
So I don't need to build every question word by word.
Right. You can start with a natural chunk, then add your idea.
That sounds easier.
By the end, you'll be able to ask questions at work, in school, while traveling, and in daily life. Imagine this. Lena is visiting a company for a meeting.
I need to ask where the meeting room is. I also need to ask about the schedule.
You could ask directly, but sometimes direct questions sound a little too strong.
Like, where's the room?
That is okay, but today we'll make your questions softer, clearer, and more natural. Here are today's 5 chunks. Number 1, can you tell me?
Can you tell me?
Number 2, do you know if?
Do you know if?
Number 3, I was wondering if.
I was wondering if.
Number 4, could you explain?
Could you explain?
Number 5, what do you mean by?
What do you mean by?
Great. Now let's learn how to use them. Chunk 1, can you tell me? Meaning, please give me information. Use it when you ask for details, directions, time, or information.
Can you tell me where the meeting room is?
Perfect. Common mistake, don't say, can you tell me where is the meeting room?
Oh, because after can you tell me, I should say where the meeting room is.
Exactly. Better, natural example, can you tell me where the meeting room is? Chunk 2, do you know if? Meaning, do you have this information? Use it when you are not sure about something.
Do you know if the meeting starts at 10?
Very good. Common mistake, don't say, do you know if does the meeting start at 10?
Better, do you know if the meeting starts at 10?
Yes, that sounds natural. Chunk 3, I was wondering if, meaning, I want to ask politely. Use it when you want to sound softer, especially at work, in email, or with someone you don't know well.
I was wondering if I could join the meeting online.
Excellent. Common mistake, some learners say, I wonder if I can join. That can be okay, but I was wondering if I could join sounds more polite.
So it is great for formal situations.
Exactly. Chunk 4, could you explain? Meaning, please help me understand. Use it when something is not clear.
Could you explain this part again?
Great. Common mistake, don't say only, explain me this.
Better, could you explain this to me?
Yes, or simply, could you explain this part again? Chunk 5, what do you mean by? Meaning, please explain this word or idea. Use it when you hear a word, phrase, or idea you don't understand.
What do you mean by deliverables?
Perfect. Common mistake, don't say what mean deliverables.
Better, what do you mean by deliverables?
Exactly. This chunk is very useful in meetings, classes, and conversations.
I like this one. It helps me ask without feeling embarrassed.
Yes, asking clearly is a sign of confidence.
Now, let's practice with a short dialogue. Listen for all 5 chunks.
Hi, Alex. Can you tell me where the meeting room is?
Sure, it's on the 2nd floor, room 205.
Thanks. Do you know if the meeting starts at 10?
Yes, it starts at 10, but people usually join 5 minutes early.
I was wondering if I could join online next time.
Yes, that should be fine. Just ask your manager first.
Great. Could you explain this agenda item to me?
Of course. It means we will discuss the project timeline.
Thanks. And what do you mean by timeline?
Good question. It means the plan for when each task will happen.
Ah, I understand now.
Now, it's your turn. Repeat after me. First, slow speed. Can you tell me where the meeting room is?
Your turn.
Do you know if the meeting starts at 10?
Your turn.
I was wondering if I could join online.
Your turn.
Could you explain this part again?
Your turn.
What do you mean by timeline?
Your turn.
Great. Now, normal speed. Can you tell me where the meeting room is? Do you know if the meeting starts at 10? I was wondering if I could join online. Could you explain this part again? What do you mean by timeline?
Nice. Now try natural speed.
Can you tell me where the meeting room is? Do you know if the meeting starts at 10? I was wondering if I could join online. Could you explain this part again? What do you mean by timeline?
Well done. Your mouth is learning the rhythm of English.
Now, let's reuse the chunks. You only need to change the ending. Can you tell me plus information?
Can you tell me where the station is? Can you tell me what time it starts?
Do you know if plus full sentence?
Do you know if the shop is open? Do you know if she is available?
I was wondering if plus polite request.
I was wondering if I could ask a question. I was wondering if we could meet tomorrow.
Could you explain plus thing?
Could you explain this word? Could you explain the rule again?
What do you mean by plus word or idea?
What do you mean by deadline? What do you mean by optional?
Excellent. This is how chunks help you speak faster. Now, let's review today's 5 chunks.
Can you tell me?
Do you know if?
I was wondering if.
Could you explain?
What do you mean by?
Great! Now, here is your mini challenge. Write or say one question using one of today's chunks.
For example, can you tell me what time the class starts?
Or, I was wondering if I could ask a question.
Practice one sentence today. Don't translate word by word, use chunks.
Subscribe to FluentMindee to learn English in natural chunks.